Alright, so in this video, we're going to tear up the interior of the car. I'm not sure how far we're going to go, but at the very minimum, we're going to get the turn signals working, and we're going to leave the AC unit out. Alright, this car has that problem where the hazard switch goes bad, and then the turn signals don't work because of that. So, we're going to ultimately make our way to get to here, but I also plan to swap the radio out at some point. So I'm gonna work on just pulling the center console out. I need to get this out because this is bad. It's just no display, so I want to check it, see if it needs to be resoldered or if I just gotta take it out and send it to someone or just get a new one. So we're gonna take apart the center console. In here, I gotta take off this cover thing. This is just Phillips, and then there's 2 screws back there behind the tabs. Alright, got the cover off. Just pop this up with a screwdriver. Gonna unplug these wires. Keep moving. Looks like there's 2 screws there. Not sure if I have to do those or not. Alright, got that area all disconnected. Got the 2 Phillips down here disconnected. Working on, actually these are Torx T15s, I believe it is. Here's another T15. I guess this is a temperature sensor. There's a little cover you just pry off. Taking that out. If your car is a convertible, you gotta remove that fiberglass thing, or actually kind of feels plasticky, but whatever it is, remove that out. And then you can fish the center console out. There's no like tabs or anything that you have to break. It just slides right out. Once you get the main tab that goes under this out of the way, you're free. I got some crazy looking stuff back here. Alright, let's take this out. I'm gonna remove the radio. I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna just put my new radio in now or if I'm just gonna do that at a later date. Got this out. Just one connector. The blue tab goes on this side, so not bad. Alright, I got the radio out. It looked like one of the harnesses wasn't actually plugged in, or if it was, it fell off immediately. The radio never turned on, so honestly it probably wasn't even in. But before I wire up a new radio, I'm gonna have to verify that I'm getting power and ground and all of that. So I just popped out this pops out super easy. It's a little hazard plastic piece, and now we get that out of there. You can do this through taking the top part of the dash out. I'm just kind of doing this route because I want to be dealing with the radio anyways. You ever have those moments where something's not working, so you just start taking everything apart? Got the knee cover off. Started undoing the top dash. It is not happening. Finally, I got it out. The top tab just would not, like, no matter what I tried, it would not bend down and give me enough access to push it out. The bottom tab, as you can see, I've been like prying at this one. I finally got it out. The mounting spot, you don't know if I can show you. The little, because it bolts into here. You can see where I've been prying. It bolts into this vent. So that plastic that surrounds this actually cracked a little on the bottom, but I mean, I think it'll be all right. So unplug this, put the new one in, and yeah, you could check to make sure it works first before you button all up, but I'm just gonna put it in because at this point, this one definitely doesn't work. No idea what that noise is, but here we go. Going super fast. It's working in the rear. And then the 4-ways, that works like normal. Feels weird. Alright, let's see what it looks like in the front. I think, yep, nothing out of the front. So either no bulbs or burnt bulbs. But at least we got rear lights, and that's really all that really matters. Alright, that's in there. Yeah, so I've seen people use like pliers or something to pull it back in, but I was able to put my hands through here and just push it through. So if you're gonna try this, I'd say take out the knee panel and try it from the bottom, see if you can do it with your hands. If not, just take out the center console radio area. It's really not that hard to. And if you're still fighting with it, you can take off this bracket, or you can go all the way and take the upper dash off. So sky's the limit with this one. Just don't make it too complicated and it will come out eventually. Alright, one other thing that we're gonna fix is this. It was just kind of loose already. I actually cracked it. The lock button wasn't working and I had to press really hard and bam, I cracked it. These buttons just feel terrible. So I got this replacement one. The buttons feel much better and firmer. They're not the best feeling, but they're much better than that. This came out of a used car. You can see the difference in the color. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in. And that was super easy.